Today we are going to see about the Sitecore field source section where we can provide different item IDs or item path uh, or queries as well. Okay, so that thing we are going to cover in this video. This is Sarish Kumar from SK Tech YouTube channel. Before going to the topic, I am just reiterating once again, please subscribe the channel, then only whatever the new video I am posting will reach you automatically. Let us into the topic. Um, Psycho field source nothing but in while creating a template field, you have one additional attribute called source. Okay, you provide field name, field type, and source. Source is used to act as a data source. Okay, so we can provide item path, item ID, queries in the source field. Okay, uh, we can use the source field for the field like drop link, drop list, multi-list search, tree list, etc. So this will whatever the output of the source field collection will be displayed in the drop link or drop list or multi-list search field. Okay, that is advantage of this source field. I'm going to show you demo how this can be achieved using normal item ID and queries. Okay, let us into the demo. Uh, we are going to see about the data source, uh, the field template field data source, how to provide the data source in different format using normal item ID and using queries. Okay. So for that, I'm having a template in this new temp. I'm having a field called list item. Okay, so currently in the multi-list field, this is a multi-list field. In the source field I have given item ID. This is nothing but a home page of this item ID. Okay, so this page. Okay, this item I have given. So what it will display is all the item under this home item will be displayed in the multi-list. Let us see the demo field demo item. So see the list item. So all the items are displayed here. Normally we will be doing like this only, right? So suppose I want from the home itself, I want to filter a specific template. Okay, how can I do this? There is another query, that is you can use as queries, Sitecore queries. So I am just using this query. Okay, it will filter the template name bucketable item. Okay, let me put that in the new temp list item source field. Okay, so I am removing this. Okay, and given this. Okay, save. Now I'm going to see. So this is a home, still home. Query is Sitecore content home, and it filter based on the template name is equal to bucketable item. Let us see how this will display. Now see, there are two items only, bucketable template. Okay, and where it is, let me here, I think it is in the not here, this one is in here, in this one is here. Okay, and another one test, what is it? Another one is test, it is available here. Okay, It's nothing but bucketable item. You check the template is bucketable item. Okay. So suppose I have another requirement. Suppose so currently we have seen only a particular path where we are filtering template is equal to. Suppose from where throughout the application, throughout this site code, so throughout this site code content, if the template is present, it should be displayed in the multi-list. So how can we do this? For this also, um, there is a query is available. Using this query, we can I will provide this query in the YouTube description field where you can refer it. Okay. So I'm just changing this. This query is nothing but it doesn't have any path. It takes the full content. So template name is bucketable item. Okay. I'm saving this. Now let us see how this will behave. Okay. Now you have this 3 item throughout the content item. Okay. Okay. Now another one is I just wanted to check for an example the current item, so the template item and the item which are present in the sub item, the child of that item. Okay, current item. So for an example, I am having multi-list in a particular item. So that particular item, child item, which is related to this bucketable template, I need to filter. Okay, that can be achieved using this query. This is decision self. Okay, we can use this decision self queries. Okay, to filter that. Okay, let me show that. So I'm going to the template list of items multi-list field. So I updated this. Okay, this is nothing but a query decision self and colon star item is equal to bucketable item. Okay, so I have saved it now. Go and see here, it will only display the child item of this particular demo item. Okay, it is displaying this one. Okay, this is nothing but a child item of this demo item. Okay, okay, just like this or it's like this. Now suppose I want to use some function like that particular item start with or contains. How can I do this? Using this query, I can I'm showing I can show you the start with name n. Okay, so I'm just deleting this and I'm just updating this query. This query is nothing but there is a function start with. So in that function I am specifying the attach means the attribute name field and its value, that is the function is start with. Okay, start with n. Okay, so from the home node the items which are having name start with n will be displayed as a list. Okay, just now saved the template. Now let us go and check. Okay, now you see the item starting with n are displayed here or added in the multi-list. Okay, suppose my scenario I want only last on that particular home node last function. There is a last function available. Using that we can check that particular items. Okay, so I'm using this query. This query is nothing but there's a lost function is available. So going here, let me apply that. This is nothing but lost function. So lost means that node lost item will be this returned. Okay, now let us see how this will behave. So now see, this is taking this is skipping all these things and taking from here. Okay, last node and standards and workflow test. Okay, this last node, last folder, first folder is skipped and the remaining folders items are taken. Okay, so this is the first folder items, this are skipped and lost means this, right? Workflow test SB2, right? Workflow test is lost, right? So if we explain, this is included and remaining folders, last folders items are included. Okay, there is a position function available. Okay, so currently similar to loss, there is a position that from that home node after greater than two positions. So I'm just removing equal to. So greater than two positions. Let me explain this. I'm copying this. Okay, right. So here it will skip this home node, right? It will skip 1 2 and add all the remaining items. Okay, because I use the function position greater than 2. Let me add it in the field definition. Yeah, the source field I am giving this method. Okay, this is nothing but a method position greater than 2. Okay, okay. Now let us check. Okay, see here. Okay, this check tester and demo item are skipped and the remainings are added. You scroll down, you will see. Okay. With position, okay, this is 1, this is 2. Greater than 2 means this remaining things are added. Okay, stamp 1 and test. The check tester and demo item is not present. Okay, now let me show you another example. How to combine two different query results. Okay, there is a pipeline symbol. Using that we can include n number of query. So for an example, first query is will gives a particular record and second query gives us particular record. We can combine both the query and with pipeline symbol. Okay, so I'm having two queries here. First one is this one and the next one is a decision of this bucketable items. Let me show that. Okay, so here, so two queries are combined. Similarly, you can combine using pipeline. You can combine 3 or more queries. Okay, so I'm clearing this and update it. So here, if you see, there are two queries are present. First one, it will check Sitecore content home /loss or the template name is equal to bucketable item. Okay, next one is a desident or self particular item and that with template name bucketable item. Let me save this. Okay. Okay. Now if you see, we have three items. Okay, one query output is this new bucket table item test, and second query output is this item self item test. Okay, similarly you can use the opposite, ancestor or self. Okay, so ancestor means previous parent, and there are other commands are available like dot, double dot. The lot of query options are available. I'm just selected few queries which is useful for your application, for your normal project work. Okay, I think let me show another one which searches, it's a pipeline combination of these two. Okay. Okay, now this combines resident as well as old content list. Okay. So this is nothing but designated template bucket, the claim symbol, and the full content template name and filter. Okay. Similarly, here at a template name, you can provide at a template ID as well, or at name, title, what are the attribute present in the item. You can provide here. Okay. Now let me check. Okay. Now see the result. Okay. So it combines old list and as well as my child list as well. Okay. Okay, that's it from the demo. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Then only what are the new video I am posting will reach you automatically. This is Satish Kumar signing off. Thank you guys. Good luck. Bye bye.